If you've ever wondered why exercise is so powerful, why it helps you to feel better, move better, think better, and most importantly, age with confidence, then this video is for you. Today we're diving into something exciting: how exercise protects your cells, repairs your DNA, and slows the aging process from the inside out. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Beth Templin, a geriatric physical therapist and healthy aging advocate. And yes, exercise affects you all the way down to your genetic material. Let's break it down in a simple but empowering way. As we get older, our cells face more wear and tear. Everyday processes like breathing, eating, stress, even just being alive, create oxidative stress that damages our DNA. This is completely normal. But when that damage builds up faster than your body can repair it, that's when aging accelerates. A 2025 scientific review published in the Journal of Sport and Health Science confirms that aging brings more DNA breaks, more mutations, less efficient repair systems, and higher levels of oxidative stress. It's why we see changes in energy level, in skin elasticity, and muscle strength, memory, and even how fast we recover after an illness or injury. But here's the good news. Exercise activates your body's repair systems. This is where things get exciting. The study found that regular physical activity can reduce DNA damage, increase the level of DNA repair enzymes, lower overall oxidative stress, and protect against age-related diseases. So in older adults, even moderate exercise programs were shown to lower markers of DNA damage, and in animal studies, exercise literally enhanced the enzymes responsible for DNA repair. Think of it like this: aging creates little dents and scratches in your DNA, and exercise is the body's repair crew to show up and fix them. And this doesn't just help your cells live longer, it supports overall brain health, muscle function, immunity, and disease prevention. Your cells also contain mitochondria. These are tiny little power plants that create energy. As we age, our mitochondria becomes less efficient. They produce more inflammation and they break down more easily. This review showed that exercise actually protects the mitochondria by stimulating the creation of new mitochondria, improving mitochondrial function, and reducing damaging oxidative stress, which results in lowering of our overall inflammation. And this is huge because tired mitochondria mean tired people, and healthy mitochondria mean more energy, better balance, improved brain function, faster recovery, and less pain. This is one of the reasons older adults often feel more energetic and balanced after starting a structured exercise routine. The research shows that multiple kinds of exercise can help. Strength training, for example, boosts antioxidant defenses and improves cellular repair. Aerobic exercise, like walking, cycling, or swimming, is extremely effective at reducing oxidative stress. Our preference is multi-component training. It's the perfect blend for aging adults because it combines strength, balance, coordination, and endurance. And this is exactly why our Exer Moves classes follow a multi-component model. It isn't random, it's science. And at HouseFit, everything we do supports healthy aging at the cellular level. So we're not just helping people to move better, we're helping their cells, tissues, and organs function in a more youthful way. This is why clients will often tell us, I feel younger. I have more energy. I'm finally recovering from things that used to linger. It's not just luck, it's biology. So if you want to support your DNA and protect your cells, move your body daily. Strength train at least 2 days per week. Add in shorter bouts of faster paced walking, or join a guided program that keeps you consistent. If this video helped you understand healthy aging in a new way, hit like and subscribe, because this is just the beginning, and this series will cover how exercise slows your biological clock, how movement supports brain health, why exercise activates your body's natural repair systems, how physical activity reduces chronic inflammation, and so much more. If you're ready to take the next step in your healthy aging journey, check out our Extra Moves classes or schedule a free consultation at HouseFit. Your future self will thank you.